I just find out that I can use fuel, only fuel, without adding anything to kill cockroach. Is this not wonderful? In this economy that we are, that things are getting bad every day, I just find out that I can kill cockroach with only fuel, without adding anything. Only fuel, plain fuel, the normal fuel that you know, the fuel that you normally put in your generator. That's the fuel I'm talking about. And the 1 liter, before you say that fuel is not cheap, let me tell you, 1 liter of it, because you're not using it on your generator. That's when you will say that 1 liter will not be enough. 1 liter of this fuel can go a very long way. It will last, because you only need small quantity. You understand? You don't need to use all of them, so it will last a very long time. 1,000 something. A 1 liter of fuel can go a long way, and it will last for you. You understand? First of all, you have to buy spray container. Buy spray container, a container that has spray in it, and make sure the spray is spraying. Make sure the spray is spraying, because sometimes you will buy all this spray container. When you try to press it, the liquid will not be coming out. So try to buy the one that is good, or by using a can water. You can bring can water. You can look for can water, or maybe you have one. Use that can water, then use nail or knife or needle to give it a hole. Give a hole on that on the cover of the can. You know can water now, so bring out the cover. Use needle or knife to give it holes, like 10 to 15 holes, small. The hole have to be small. So after doing this, you can pour your fuel inside. Then you will start pressing it. If you anywhere that you know that cockroach is, you start pressing it, or you buy a spray container. So that's what you have to do. So for it to work, you have to spray it directly to the cockroach. You have to spray it directly, because that's how it works. So you will spray it directly to this one is not the one you will just spray, only the smell will kill the cockroach. This one you have to make sure it touches the cockroach. Make sure it touches the cockroach, and I tell you, it will kill it. Both the big cockroach and the small cockroach, it will kill it. Fuel kills it. Fuel will kill cockroach, both big and small. Try it and tell me how it went out. So another thing is, when spraying this fuel, this is fuel, be very careful. Make sure there is no light around. Make sure there is no light, open light, hidden light, or whatsoever. Make sure there is no fire around the place you are spraying, to avoid your house catching fire, to avoid the dangerous situation. You understand? So be very careful when spraying this fuel, so that it will not cause trouble. You understand? So another thing is, you can cover your nose with nose mask if you don't like the smell of the fuel. Fuel can smell. If you spray it too much, you will start hearing the smell. So that's that. Okay, so this fuel, the smell of the fuel I think it can also kill a mosquito, but not that effective on mosquito. I have not confirmed. When I confirm, I will let you know. So try this. It is very, very effective on cockroach. It works very well. The same thing to any crawling insect. You can use this fuel to kill any crawling insect. You can use it to kill a fly. You're able to spray it on the fly. Maybe make sure that it touches the fly whatsoever. Another one is, if you have any wooden something, maybe anywhere you keep a stick or wood, you understand, and termite is trying to destroy all those trees, or you have a bacha where you have a bacha. We use a stick or wood to form a bacha. So and you notice that termite is disturbing it, or anything in your house, in your home, that is made with that is made with wood, then you can use this fuel on it. Fuel can also kill termites. Yes, spray it. Make sure you spray it very well. Make sure you spray it around those places. And even if the thing has formed a hole, also put it inside those holes. Put it very well inside the holes. Even if the termite has formed a hole on those wood, put it inside. Make sure it enters inside. Put it very well around the stick very well. Spray it enough. Don't be stingy. Pour it. Be generous. Okay, be generous with the fuel. Pour it very well on those wooden items that you have, or wooden batcher that you have, and this fuel will kill the termites and it will disappear. Yes, fuel can also kill termites. You understand? So today they are playing final. Today is World Cup final. They are playing World Cup final, and I am here trying to share my goodness to you. So for the men who love ball so much, they don't want to watch ball. You understand? You know. So today is World Cup final. People, please don't mind the noise. You might be hearing background noise. This is people who are watching football, and the microphone and the mic that I bought recently, I've only used it once. I tried using the mic again today. It didn't work. It is not charging. It's not working. I don't know what is wrong. So that's why I'm not using mic. Maybe you'll be hearing the sound. Please don't mind it. I'm sorry for that. So I will make sure I return the mic. I also heard that fuel can kill bed bug. Even though I've not tried it, I've not confirmed it, but I heard that it will kill bed bug. I heard it. So, so if you have bed bug in your house, maybe you should try it and see if it works. And please, if you have children in your house or a child in your house, be very careful how you are spraying it. Be very, very careful.